Hi everyone, my name is Jody Williams and I did my advertising analysis on a 2007 Old Spice advertisement because I think that Old Spice advertisements are pretty funny and engaging. So I wanted all of you to experience it as well. So what is this advertisement saying? The poster itself is a vertical orientation, while the character in the middle is a horizontal orientation. This gives the appearance that he is too big for this tiny little space that he's in. This acts to draw the viewer's sight into the center and grab our attention. It is also a close-up picture in a small room with the character looking directly at us, the consumer, so we can place ourselves in this small bathroom with him while he is showering. We see a very ordinary bathroom. One might assume that it's a bachelor's bathroom since there's no indicators of a female presence. The green and white striped tiles are the same color scheme as the colors of the product, bottle, and the label. The color green is a signifier of immortality, freshness, and hope, and it represents the body wash itself, while the white is a signifier of cleanliness and purity and represents the moisturizer. The colors are striped together to indicate that they're two products together in one bottle, the soap and the moisturizer, or you can look at it as freshness, cleanliness, calmness all together in one product, which is the Old Spice body wash. The text shows introducing Livewire. Livewire is a braided electrical wire that is packed with electricity and a punch when it's touched. So this gives it an undertone of power. The smaller text reads body wash, moisturizer, striped together. It's two products in one awesome product. The word awesome is used to relate to a younger audience, and the term striped together brings you back to the visual display surrounding the character. The signature Old Spice text with the red background is a sign representing masculinity, distinction, power, and class, as it is written in a large cursive surrounded by the color red, which also signifies lust, courage, danger, love, and sexuality. The tiny ship in the logo is also another representation of masculinity and strength. Across the front reads the overt message, want two things in one thing. The items in the picture that represent two things in one thing is the centaur himself, of course, along with the green and white stripes in the shower, the bottle of the product in the front. The question may appear overt, but it's really covert because it's asking many questions in that one single question. As Julia Williamson describes in her writing, the message is working to create gaps that we as the consumer subconsciously work to fill. Ladies, do you want to be alone with this centaur man? Do you want your husband or significant other to be like this centaur man? Men, do you want to be the centaur? Do you want to know what it's like to be the centaur? Do you feel like you are the centaur because you are a lot of things packed into one thing? Do you try to be like the centaur? Do you want to try the two-in-one product that is the moisturizer for your sensitive skin and soap to wash that dirty masculinity at the same time? But wait, who's asking the questions? The centaur is not the one asking the questions. He's the character talking, but the message sender remains anonymous. We are the ones asking the questions, and we are the ones listening and coming up with our answers to those questions. So Julia Williamson would say that they, meaning the creators of this advertisement, are successful at selling us ourselves. The centaur, we see an attractive, athletic, confident, but relatable, funny, likable man covered in bubbles with nice, soft, sensitive-looking skin in the front. The bubbles are used to signify softness, sensitivity, and youthfulness. Old Spice uses horses in a lot of their advertisements because horses are large, strong, wild, masculine, and they're signifiers of all things manly, like cowboys, the Wild West, hard work, dirt. So naturally, we see a horse in the back. although he is a modern version of a centaur, centaurs they're known to be mythical creatures that are wild, reckless, and untamable. When we put them together, we get a strong, masculine, attractive, yet sensitive and relatable man with soft skin and a harsh ruggedness all in one person. And by the way, he's very funny, attractive, and he's naked in the shower talking to us. Now that connections are being formed as many men start to relate subconsciously to him and women become more attracted to him, we start to receive his messages, the ones that tell us to buy the product. Julia Williamson says that items are made to represent other non-material items that we need and vice versa, and that is what creates the meaning to the consumer. We need soap, we need moisturizer. We also need to feel like we fit in, that we're liked. So how do I fit in and feel liked? Well, I smell good and then people will like me. And how do I get to smell good and look good? Well, I buy this Old Spice body wash. So that's my analysis of the Old Spice ad in front of you. I appreciate you listening and have a great day.